Hi, this is Edye Beans with the Little House of Beans. And today on Cooking with Edye, I am making Tuscan chicken casserole. Now, of course, this recipe is super easy to make, minimal ingredients. I love this recipe because when I was about 16 or 17, we had a foreign exchange student, Giuseppe, and he is the one who taught me this quick, fast, delicious recipe.
And where was he from?
He was from the central region of Italy, which is Tuscany.
And can you get any apartments in Tuscany?
For those Seinfeld fans, I think you know. The recipe will be in the description below, along with the links to the Omnia oven, as well as the Omnia accessories you may see in this cooking video. Do us a favor, if you love these delicious cooking videos, hit that like button. It is the best way to help our Little House of Beans channel grow. Hit the notification bell, and please, if you have not already subscribed, please do so. It does mean the world to us. I am ready to cook. This is a delicious recipe. Let's cook. Please cook with love, camp with passion.